All right, we're staying on legal matters. Justice Yetunde Pinheiro of the High Court of Lagos State has adjourned to March the 7th to hear all pending applications brought by various counsel in a suit filed by removed Speaker of the Lagos State House of Assembly, Mudashiru Obasa. His removal on January the 13th, which he is challenging, follows allegations of gross misconduct and abuse of office that led to his deputy, Mojisola Miranda, being elected and sworn in as his successor. Kemi Folade has more.
Friday's hearing is the first sitting by a court of law in the battle for the legitimate leadership of the Lagos House of Assembly. A senior advocate of Nigeria, Folabi Fashanu, represented Mudashiru Obasa. The defendant in the suit, Mojisola Miranda, who was represented by lead senior advocates Tayo Yetibo and Abimbola Akeredolu. The House of Assembly, another defendant, was represented by two senior advocates, Femi Falano and Muiz Banire. But another counsel, Abang Pandiok, announced appearance for the House of Assembly, saying he had been briefed on Thursday night and had filed his motion for a change of counsel on Friday morning. He asked the court to hear his application first, saying it was a fundamental issue that deals with a person's constitutional rights to a counsel of choice. But Mr. Falano rejected the claim, saying he remains the counsel on record and that he hadn't even been served with that motion. The court deferred hearing Mr. Pandiok's application pending compliance with the rules of court, since he had admitted that all parties hadn't been served with his processes. After the proceedings, Mrs. Miranda told journalists she was still in charge, even though her security detail had yet to be fully restored.
I have, I think, 3 or 4 policemen, whereas my normal convoy, my team, 12 policemen, 4 DSS, and 2 anti-bob. But as I have it this morning, I don't have that. The removed speaker. Well, I think he's still a member of the House of Assembly, so he has every right to come, but invasion and breaking into my office, that is really a big one. In our job, we have numbers that form quorum. So if you are sitting with 3 or 4 members, you're only doing theater.
We are still committed to our leadership, and we are still committed to serving the people of Lagos State, and that is what is more important.
Justice Pinheiro says she is conversant with the facts of this case and has given a strict timeline within which the various counsel in this matter file and exchange court processes ahead of the next adjourned date. The court added that any lawyer that doesn't follow the timeline she has given will be deemed to have waived his or her right to do so. Kemi Folade, TVC News, Lagos.